So it's your first time going to Disneyland, huh? And you want to make sure you get the most bang for your buck, right? Disneyland is expensive, and you want to make sure you see everything. I will admit that doing the whole park in one day can be very intimidating. You're going to be battling huge crowds, lines, exhaustion, weather conditions, time-sensitive events, and oh yeah, spending money. Lots of money. But lucky for you, I'm a Disneyland expert, and on this episode, I'm going to turn you into a true Disneylander. Can Disneyland be done in one day? No, Disneyland cannot be done in one day. It is a lifelong study. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Oh, here it goes.
First off, I want to make sure you have your map of the park and the Disneyland phone app. The app is nice for knowing what rides' current wait times are and what rides are currently broken down. This will help in making quick decisions that can result in completing everything in the park. The map is also nice for knowing when the show times are, and if you're lost and maybe your phone died, you have a backup physical copy. Listen to me carefully.
Hey, listen!
The rides that you need to go on first are Space Mountain, Matterhorn, Indiana Jones, Splash Mountain, Haunted Mansion, Pirates of the Caribbean, Jungle Cruise, Big Thunder Mountain. If you can get as close as possible to completing those rides, then completing the whole park just got a lot easier. Why? Because these rides in this order have the longest lines. Every other ride that I didn't list will be a short line, I promise you. Now, using your Fast Pass to your advantage, you are going to want to get a Fast Pass for any of those rides that I listed while you are waiting in line. The reason for this is because by the time you're done waiting in line and finished riding your ride, there's a good chance your next ride's Fast Pass that you got previously is ready to go. So you pretty much rode 2 rides for the amount of time it would take you to ride just one. Now, using the Fast Pass is your main way to destroy the long lines. And I would say that long lines are the main cause of why people can't finish the whole park in one day. Now, I want to talk about the various complications that you may encounter with your special Disneyland day. For instance, if you have kids, some of the rides, they might not be tall enough to ride. All you need to do is not bring your kids. You'll have a much better Disneyland experience. Okay, I'm joking. But there is a pass that each cast member will give you before you go on the ride. This pass will allow you to have one parent sit outside with the kids while the other parent can go on the ride. This works very well if you have one child who can go on the ride and another child who cannot go on the ride. The special pass that you want is called Rider Switch Pass, and it looks like this. Now, there's a couple small little Disneyland hacks that I want to share with you. There's an app called the Max Pass, and it's only $10, but it allows you to make digital fast passes, which can also save you a lot of time. There's also the single rider passes that let you cut the line, and I figured it was worth mentioning. Also, the Disneyland app has a feature that allows you to pick up your food from some of the restaurants. So instead of waiting in long lines for your food, you can just order there and come pick it up, which would save you a lot of time. Well, that's the episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We just came out with some new merch at the Disneylanders.com. Make sure to go check it out if you want to support the channel. Also, check out our other videos that we make. We make a bunch of videos strictly on Disneyland because we love Disneyland so much. And if you're still confused, leave a comment below. We got a lot of people that are willing to help you out and has some really good tips. So until next time, I'll see you guys at Disneyland.